Anybody else have a pet you can fit in your mouth or no? You had a bird? Your cousin killed it on purpose? Like of mice and men? Yo, let me hold it. I just want to hold the bird. I just want to hold the bird as hard as I possibly can. You ever see your bird's eyes pop out? Sorry. Uh-huh. On its own? Like, it smells like pregnancy in here. Right? A little suitcase. He walks out, he has wings, but he walks out a little suitcase. Fuck. So your mom got pregnant and had to give away the bird because the bird was getting mouthy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, somewhere. Fuck. All the things that could have happened to that bird behind the bed. What are the chances that your parents were like fucking and smashed the bird? Ah! Did you do that? You made that noise? Dude, your dad telling his friends about your fucking... Yeah, I'm pretty good, dude. Got my wife pregnant, made her chirp. You ever make your wife chirp, Greg? Fucking smashing two birds with one bed, dude. Yeah, that deserves that. Yeah. I think later on when you're driving home, you'll discover that what I said didn't make any sense, but it felt really good and smooth in the moment. Hell yeah, self-aware.